What in the world is this thing? Did you see that?
That was pretty cool.
Hey, welcome to Midnight Science Club. I'm Jake Wizard 4, and this is?
RJ.
It's RJ. How do you spell that?
RJ.
He's got that down. So the new career change. The last time we talked, you were going to be an aeronautical engineer, right?
Yep.
And did we scare you away?
A little bit.
A little bit. So what's your new career choice?
Electrical engineer.
This is a device that Mr. Wizard, Wizard 3, built in 1951, I think it was. So this thing is 70 years old, to describe something that occurs when electrons are moving. You got your pointer?
Yep.
You see these two sticks right here? What do you think they might represent?
Something that electricity travels through.
Yeah, he's getting there. So if this is a copper wire, say, what moves through a copper wire?
Electricity.
Electricity. And electricity is made of what?
Electrons.
Electrons, there you go. That's why they call it electricity. And if I get some electrons moving through a wire, I can do that with a magnetic electric generator. It's called an induced current. Gets induced to flow. We get electrons moving, right?
Yep.
You often thought that maybe if I put an electron at the end of a wire and get it flowing somehow, it would travel through the wire and come out the other end. And on the way, it would do a job, like light up a light bulb or make a fan turn or something, to get those electrons to do something for us while they're moving. And this little bell, those electrons are going to come down and tap that thing and make it ring. Doing a little work, because we make the electrons do work when they travel through a wire. You want to let go?
Sure.
Look that way, if it messes up, it's your fault. Here it goes. Electric current induced. We got two out. We just created matter. Did that electron travel all the way through the wire?
Nope. It just pushed another one, that ended up pushing another one, and so on.
They repel each other. They have a negative charge. And when we put one in here, he'll push the next guy out of the way. This is a demonstration of how electrons move through a conductor. The electrons don't travel all the way through by themselves and end up out here. I guess they eventually would as they work their way down, But they're just passing electrons from one atom to the next. Very fast. Like that. And that's what this demonstrates. Where could people see this thing when it's working?
Well, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook.
Yeah,
we even have a TikTok.
Yes, we do.
Yep.
That's who we are. We have TikTok.
Yep. And then if you also want some behind-the-scenes action, maybe get to know us personally, we can answer some of your questions. We have a Patreon.
Yes, we do. I'm actually older than this thing. Just wanted to let you know. Got two antiques.